My name is Melody. I am the owner of Tsangano Agrifarms. We are here doing agricultural work. We got a farm where we are doing a lot of activities. We have got animals here which we are rearing. We have got the chickens, we have got the pigs. We have got also irrigation in the fields which we are doing horticulture. Before we want to go into the new version of using the renewable resources of energy for irrigation, we have been using this old system where we have got these pumps, the engines, they work using diesel, and the cost of operation for the diesel is very expensive for us. It's not easy that we can get the fuel very easy because we have to travel. We are in the district and we do not have any petrol station which is nearby us. So we have to travel some distance to obtain the fuel. Again, the cost of operations, these machines, they were built in Europe. So for us to get the space, it's becoming very expensive for us. So for us to migrate from these machines to renewable resources is going to be a big advantage for us, because it's like we are going to acquire the solar system which is going to help us to power the submersible pumps. Then we will be having water all year round. There is no need for us to have some other extra cost. Also in our community there is no electricity. When we install electricity using what? Using the solar system, we have people, local people coming to us to charge their phones. They can charge their cell phones, they can charge their machines here, and it's going to be vital for everyone who is in our village. So I can say we are transforming from this old system which we have been using diesel. We have got our generator. It's no longer working because it's now all these renewable sources. We have got a lot of sun. You can see there is a lot of sun, so there is need only for a good charging, and we can start working. We have got a grinding mill where we are doing some maize meal, and we are using also diesel, which is expensive for us. So for us to acquire a machine that is driven with solar energy is going to be vital and important for us. We also have the other part of horticulture, which I've mentioned. We are going to put a processing factory. Then the processing factory is supposed to be powered every time with power. So for us to do it with the generators where we use fuel is going to be very costly. So for us to minimize the cost, that's why we are acquiring a refrigeration system that is going to use solar energy. This is going to have much impact on our community because there is no way people are conserving the product. It's like when you deal with horticulture, as soon as you harvest it, you're supposed to conserve it in a place where the temperatures are cool. So our refrigeration system that we are going to build here is not only our benefit here at Tsangano Agrifarms, it's also going to benefit our community because we are working hand in hand with our local people. So whenever they've got their produce, we're gonna process it, we're gonna also store it in our storage system.